Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So it's pretty exciting. We got another box of goodies from one of our sponsors today. This is for the International RATical Build-Off Drive-Off 2020. And this is from Trulers. And they sent us a bunch of goodies. And there's their logo there. And from what I can understand, I kind of took a peek in the box. I guess they're, because I don't know too much about the company or whatever, but I guess they're stickers that you stick on stuff. And when you're chopping tops and, you know, doing measurements on cars and you're cutting metal and whatever, they stick on the panels, and then you have your measurements right there, and you have your center lines and everything else that you can go by. And then you have every 3-inch increments on these. So it's at 3, 6, 9, 12. And this is from Trulers, and that was really nice that they sent this stuff out to us. And I'm gonna go ahead and see what else is in the box. Yeah, they sent us a whole big roll of the measurement stickers and everything. And then, you know, there's a couple other different styles in here. A bunch of banners that we could pass out like at the car shows and whatever, or put them up at our car show, maybe give them away some gifts for the car shows or whatever. And then these are pretty cool. These are magnetized, these are magnetic squares, and they have the, you know, 0 to 6 here and 0 to, oh, it goes every 6-inch increments. Oh. So you have measurements. You know, this would definitely be super handy, and I like how they're flexible. So like when you're building fenders or chopping a top on a car, I could have been using these a while back. But sorry about the phone going off.
Sorry, it's a call I've been waiting for. That's okay. I'll call her right back. Wow, that's nice. Check that out.
I like that.
That'll be on the wall.
Yeah, there's a couple of those here. Yeah, we're definitely putting this up. That's a sweet car too. But that was really nice that they sent this stuff to us. And this is, like I said, this is one of our sponsors now for the International RATical Build-Off 2020. And all kinds of little goodies that they sent us. Super cool. This is one of those face mask deals, huh?
Oh, like I like to wear?
Yeah, like you can wear them on your neck or your head or your face.
Very slick.
Really nice.
Didn't you look at the little thing when I opened it? Or just cut it open?
No, I just opened up. It's no fun unless you just cut it open. And then here's a bunch of stickers.
Oh, cool.
Truler stickers, so that's really cool. Thanks, Trulers, for sending this stuff to us. That was nice. And another one of those face bandana deals.
Fantastic.
And then there's a whole bunch of stickers in the bottom right here.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. I like those. Hold one of those up. That's cool.
Awesome. And then, sorry it took a while. Jack.
Yeah.
Awesome. Hey, don't worry about it, Jack. Appreciate all the support, man. Appreciate you being one of the sponsors for our car and for our shop. And we'll definitely advertise for you guys. So that was super nice that they sent this stuff, and we'll have to put this stuff through the test. And I like how when you're doing a chop or something like that on a car, this is really nice because you can stick these right to the car and get your measurements and mark it out with your tape and whatever. And you know,
or the stickers too.
Yeah, the other stickers too. And what's cool is these magnets will go with the stickers because you can take the stickers and put them on the car when you're chopping a top or stretching the car or whatever you're doing, you know, when you're working on something. So that makes it really nice. But anyways, Trulers, go check them out. Trulers.com. Thanks a lot for watching.